In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix photo mode on TikTok missing. Open your TikTok app. Next, tap the profile button below. Then tap the three lines icon at the top right. In the pop-up window, tap Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down until you reach Support and About section. Now, tap the Report a Problem. After that, go to the Account and Profile. Next, tap the Editing Profile to show the options under it. Tap the Other option. It will redirect you to another tab. Then in here, select the Need More Help option at the bottom. Now you will be redirected to a TikTok help desk. Simply send a message explaining the issue of your missing photo mode on TikTok. After that, tap the Send button and simply wait for the support team to address your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.